Okay, let's have our example number 1 class. So we have here the given is AB, and we have already the illustration there. And what is line segment AB? A to B is our chord. This is our chord. Okay. The radius is 8 cm. So we are going to put here the 8. Where is our radius here? So we have 3 radii here. We have OA is a radius, another radius is OB, and the third one is OD, and they are all equal. Don't say that the second one is not equal to the third one, or the first one is not equal to the second one. So let us put our given here. This one OA is our radius. Then we put here 8. Okay, we'll not put yet our centimeters. Right, the OB is also 8. And the OD from O to D is also 8. Okay, just put the cm so you know its length. Alright, cm, but we are going to include that one in our computation. Okay, that is the given. And then we are required to find the OC. Where's the OC? The OC is here from O to C. So this side here, this lining. And CD, where's the CD? This from here up to here is our CD. And the measure of arc AB. So what is the measure of this arc AB? The measure of that arc AB is also that central angle there. That is also that one. So I put there the measure of arc AB. That is also the subtended angle. Or if you're not familiar with the word subtended angle, then we use central angle O. If you want to use 3 letters, the central angle O is AOB or BOA. So that is our central angle. Okay. The length of the chord is 12. The length of this one from A to B is 12. But because this radius is perpendicular to this one, we'll just put the symbol for perpendicular. If this radius is perpendicular to the chord, then it bisects AB into 2 equal parts. So if the length of AB is 12, so half of that one, the first triangle will have 6 cm here, and the other one is also a 6 centimeter chord, half only of the 12. Always remember that one, because using the 12, where can we use the 12? We use that one for advanced, and I'm going to show you how to compute that one by the advanced learners in maybe in grade 10 or grade 11 when they have already this problem. But for now, I'm going to show you the simple solution for grade 7, because this is for grade 7. So we have that one, it's complete already. So now I'm going to draw the triangle. I'm going to get one triangle only. I'm going to get this right triangle here. If you want, you can get the right triangle there. Okay, so in trigonometry also class, you always need to draw your triangle, because it's hard to imagine what you are going to use, what kind of functions you are going to use, is sine, cosine, or tangent. So it's hard. So you need to see it by using illustration. This side here, I mean that vertex there is vertex O, that thing there. Here is the A, the thing. And then this one, it's point C. So we have C here. Okay. Let's try have triangle AOC. Now we put the given. So in this triangle, we have the 8. Okay, just put the 8. And then the 6. Now, when you see a right triangle, wherein 2 sides are given, what comes into your mind? What formula comes into your mind? It's the Pythagorean theorem. Alright, let us analyze this one. So we'll be using only Pythagorean theorem. So for here, let us analyze what kind of side is A. This one is opposite of the right angle. So from our formula, this is our C, the hypotenuse. So C is equal to 8. Now what is this side? The 6 can either be the A or the B. If you want, this one is your A, and the unknown here will be your B. If you want, this one will be your B, and this one, the unknown, will be your A. And A is equal to line segment OC, that O to C. Okay, what is our Pythagorean theorem? Okay, can you erase this one, class? So you have space to write. Pythagorean theorem is C squared. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of its two sides A and B. So this is our famous Pythagorean theorem. C squared, A squared plus B squared. When you have already all the given here, we just substitute there. So C, what is the C? It's 8. You know very well, this one is the hypotenuse. You can interchange the A and B, but not the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the hypotenuse. It's the C. So we have 8. So what are you going to do with the 8? You square it. Okay. So you have A. Okay, that is unknown. Just put A and then don't forget the square. Plus the B is 6 and square it. Now 8 times 8, not 8 times 2. 8 times 8, 64 is equal to A squared. Let's write that unknown. And 6 times 6 is 36. When we transpose the 36 to 64. And then we just flip. So it's actually 64 minus 36, because we are transposing 36 to the left side, is equal to A squared. Forget the square, still square. And this one is 64 minus 36 is just 28. If this one is 28 is equal to A squared. Okay, let's do not transpose, just flip it. Put the A squared here, that is A squared is equal to 28. We remove the 2, what is 2 on the other side, we raise this one to the 1/2, we raise this one to the 1/2, and 1/2 is the square root. So we raise this to the 1/2, it will be A here, and the 28 will have the square root of 20. So what's the square root of 28 plus? So A, which is also OC, this one, that one is A, that one is the OC. Line segment OC is equal to, if you are going to get the square root of 28, it will give us 5.3, and then you put the centimeters there.